You gibberish. Cut all light source.
Ano, kan karay? Palinda?
Ha?
Like, galing kita.
I don't know, like, the first time kung maghampang ka ra. Try to first pop up sa aking recommendation. Favorite kid do nag-pop up.
Ito sa ako.
Si Dr. Isaac.
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 Look who's finally waking up. Si Dr. Isaac. Hi.
Hi.
I am happy to see you awake. Kita ba yun? Listen.
I think.
Today is a wonderful day. Huh? Isn't that amazing? What did he say? You know?
Experiment. Yung experimentan kita.
Huh? Huh or Hala!
Oh.
Pinachoke mo. That's bad. Sakto man, 4 volumes man da. I'm good. Chapter 1, Act 1, Intro. Guys? Wait lang guys, ako niya brightness. Okay, I'm good to go na.
Where are you guys?
Hello?
Saan kayo? I-blast nyo na. Hey, John!
Hello,
Angel.
Angel? I should try to get out of here. How? Angel? Oh, hello, Jill. Are you stuck? Here, let me help you. Or wait, basta sa intro patay mo? No, why did you lock? Okay, we should try to get out of here.
Kumusta na kaya si Dr. Isaac?
I think he's dead.
Cut out daw ito eh.
Oh, we can open lockers at may money. I am moneyist. This pickaxe could help me break a wicked wall. Wicked wall?
Wow. Wall?
Yung...
May kang kano ginakat ko.
Where? Oh, this one, oh.
Iya ko.
Wala naman dyan, di ba?
Ika dyan.
Dito. Angel, you must go first. Angel, you must experience the scare.
Cinema. Hey, Jen.
Angel, you must go first so you can experience the scariness. This is Angel. Angel,
Balik.
we're here.
Saan dapat natuntanan ta?
Come on.
Awa.
I feel like we're in an asylum.
Yes. Or test subject tayo.
Oh! Ice cream na, no?
Sino namatay ako?
No. I'm alive.
Sino namatay? Akala ko may namatay.
Oh, a scissor. Excuse me po. I found a scissor. I don't know why. Open, guys. Basta may mga something. Oh my god. I can hide, guys. Dito, guys. Pwede ka makahide. Hello. Ayong cabinet sa likod nyo. It's very bad. What the?
Uy, may kano.
Alin?
May jump scare.
Waman?
Uy, may jump scare sa akin.
Hala. These scissors could be used to cut something that is blocking my path. What is that? Guys, kiba nyo. Guys, nadlock ako. Angel, you must go first, please. You must go first.
Go, Jen.
Go first. Ayun ni Angel, mag-go
Ano
first.
ba yung blue na yan?
Atong pathway.
Oh. Guys.
No guys, I cannot handle. Oh my god, Alinda. Kibot lang ako.
Elevators.
Ako ta guys, to mas stress kinyo guys. Ako naha-adlock ta ako. Baka dahil too much horror game naging hinampang. I must reactivate the power.
Reactivate the power.
Ala, the power. The power of the hour.
Oh, babong locker, guys.
The power of the hour. Ano, we must find the battery.
May flashlight. Char, wala na rin. May bayad.
Too bad wala tayong Robux.
Why do you have money, John?
Yes, I have
Oh,
money. Oh my god! Oh my god, ako lang na jump scare guys. Ano ba to?
Naman.
Ako lang na jump
Where are
scare. Yeah, okay, Angel. Ano ba to? Payback pa to del... Peme ko, bigyan na jump scare yung kaibahan. Ay, agaw-agawan tayo guys.
May phone ako ho.
Sabi ko no, hanap ko ng katat battery. Guys, ano yung naging pindot? 1 of 7 do puzzle. Basta importante ron Hello? May nagsut ka ton.
Yes.
Jill, I'm scared. Di, Jill, magtago yak ako, nadlock ako.
I think what pa man.
I have money. That's the most important part. 13 pesos na.
Ganun pa lang yung sa akin.
Angel, you go first. Di Carno.
Ganun pa lang yung money
Di Carno, go. You must go first.
Ano kaya?
Diretso lang, diretso. Diretso. Oo, diretso.
Ito?
Oo, diretso. Oh, 011 is XXXXXXXXXXXX.
Angel.
EKT. Haron nang nakita, it's scary. Haron no, drawing sa picture is scary. Can I squeeze in?
His distance from as long as someone is losing their reflection. He remains frozen. Okay.
No, it's not okay. Oh! Ako na ito, nasinggit man. Should I?
Not looking. Uy!
What?
Uh-oh!
Anong oo? Aron the monster, oh. Aron the monster, guys. Diretso, guys. I must not sacrifice myself. Too much na.
As long, di ba nga, may gatanaw ka na ay...
Scare your friends. I have no money. Wait, let me check. I have no money. 80 Robux.
John, you have Robux.
I have 3 pesos of Robux. Knife!
No.
Ay, hindi. Patsyang ko ka mo. Stab. No.
No. I should keep an eye on that thing.
Ay!
Ano yun? What's that?
Oh my god.
What was that?
I'm trying to run away, guys. Ah! Stop! I keep getting dumb scared. I'm scared.
Saan kayo?
I'm trying to find a battery.
Jel, sino ikaw, Jel? Ah,
Why?
ikaw, Jel.
Naman, ano nangyari, Lige?
Iniwanan niyo ba? Niyo ako.
Ganyan talagang life. You must sacrifice your friend for the safety. Hello? I must call someone. Wait. I need a coin. Guys, may coin ka mo?
No. Pero may ako ko, puzzle pieces.
I have a knife.
Which is 4 pa lang ako nito.
Guys. We need a coin. Hello? Oh my god, I feel dumb. Sara yung ano. So guys,
Pwede ba yun?
yeah, it's fine.
Nandun siya eh.
Don't worry. I will kill it. Stab. Okay na. Patay na siya.
Diba yung sabi eh?
Then I will look. Or
Like,
Angel, pwede mo bang
Hindi mo
i-understand? Di ko ma-understand. Ara
Naman.
jail do code do. Di ka raw. Need i-code. Saring locker. Dito. I don't know what it is. I cannot understand. Heart is 1. 0 is 5. So like 9 9-5 gel 9-5 ano oh 9-5-1 the code nakabutang dito eh 9-5-1 hello? Lai Chico ba yung nagasut-sut
Hi.
kakon? What's inside? Oh, hello. Let's go, Lige. Do not worry.
wait! Saan ka mo?
Hiya ako sing likod. Hiya ako. Dito. Talikod.
Di yata ako mag-control.
Do not worry. Sarado man the door.
Sure?
Yes, I'm 100% sure from the bottom of my heart.
Okay.
What?
Lagi.
What? Alin to? May nag-alarm ka
Diba,
ako.
sabi ko sa'yo, John!
Haman. What?
No one's looking. He will attack.
Oh my god. Lige. Lige. Oh, to kung galing. So, diya. I will stare it from the heart. So, nakasud ka wan? So, Jun. Olo!
Garus. Jel, saan ka dyan?
Oh my god. Lige, ikaw na lang bahala dyan. Jail need na to ng axe. Angel,
Where are you guys?
do not worry. Iya ako. Aray! I'm dead. Or am I? I'm dead!
Did I die?
I died. Wait lang, yes. I want to respawn.
Namatay ako.
Namatay ako. Pero nawala ko yung ano.
Ay, Garus!
Pwede ka mag-respawn. Do not worry. I will be back soon.
Sige. Garus, nahuhugab yung cellphone, Jun.
Ha?
Nahuhugab ang cellphone.
Okay lang ba yung cellphone mo?
Kaya ano mo?
Okay lang ba yung cellphone mo?
Yes, okay.
Format crack. Oh my god. Guys, wag kayo mag-agto sa sa bola nga ron, no? It's dangerous. Pwede ba ako mag-squeeze in, sir? I will squeeze in. I died. Angel, do not go there. Wag kayong pumunta dito, it's bad. Is this openable? Diretso lang, Lige. Backward. May axe ka? Which one of you have axe? Diretso lang, okay. Now, go right ba? Tama, right. Go right.
Right?
Yes.
Alin dyan.
Angel, sing likod, Jel. Ano mo, spooky douche, mo. Oh my god, there's a dead person. Hello? Angel, there's a dead person. Oh my god! Angel, help me! Help me, Angel! This person is gonna kill me! From the bottom of my heart! Okay mo na.
Saan kayo?
I killed the person. Angel, did you die? Oh no, you lived. You lived. For now.
Mamatay ka, Jel?
No, we're alive. Okay, go left na, Lige. Left. The monster, kinatargetan ka ginawan. Kuwaon, okay na?
Okay na?
Yeah. Oo. Ano itong hinahanap? I feel like ako man lang guys to may knifed. Or may inyo. May something ba dyan sa loob? Ano, may nag-glistening eh.
Ano, cut open daw ito. Yun o.
Oh, there's battery. I have battery na guys. We must go na sa may Need niya pickaxe. Nandyan pa ba yung monster?
Yeah.
Diretso lang.
Dito?
Yeah. And stop.
Oh, ito. Okay.
Okay. Oh! Alin to? Gel, I'm not a shield. I'm scared too.
Oh, may kon ba ho? Sa daya, safe zone ba?
Ha-complete yun natin guys sa puzzle. 7 out of 7. What is this? Place a bone. Sabi, i-place ko na the bone. How do we get a bone? Sino?
Ako may bone ako doon.
May bone ka? Okay. What happened? Ano doon? Binagay key mo? Oh. I have... Ayan yun. 3 batteries na ba tayo? I have 1.
Oo, ala ako.
Yun? Yeah. We're gonna win. I'm scared. Okay, let's squeeze in. Okay, haron ginatuko ni mo. Lige. Sunod, Lige.
Gawin?
Oh, promise.
Baka mamatay ako.
Do not worry. Okay. Okay, walk backward. Walk backward. Keep walking backward. Backward. Okay na?
Okay na?
Yes, we're good na.
Oh, wait lang guys. Video call si Auntie Lina.
Okay. Incha puta, Seryoso, sino nagsinutsut ka kon? Ikaw ba, Angel? Yung nagsinutsut ka kon? Hello? Ito nga ni. Yung nagsinutsut. I'm scared guys, ginahunted yun ako trying game. Ah! God! Oh my god! Alin to? May sumabog. Lige?
Yeah.
Ka? Oh.
Yung pa na ako gatugo.
Backward. Sus, color na. Higibot ang okay na. Pwede ni ko. Ha? For real? So, yun.
Robo man dito sa kwan.
Oh, ako nakita. Oh, yun na. Lige. Last battery. I got scared. Ba yan?
Ayan.
I should go to the exit door. Hato.
Yan.
Scared. Oop.
Ooh.
Guys, I'm scared. Angel, protect me. guys, may agto. Oh, hello?
What man? May hint. Katlo.
Oh, we must go back there. Shh, God. We do the sneaky.
Yan, guys.
Tapos pagbalik kali ni Elijah, yo, tagali kita.
Garo.
Sneaky.
Ay, nawala siya dun.
Ha?
Nawala siya.
For real?
Hello, Uncle. Yes. Day and team. Come on.
Good.
Oh.
Sneaky.
Yan, guys.
Interesting. Angel, look left and right. Mama na.
Garo.
Ladies first. Go, Jill. Oh. Okay, guys, it's a run scene.
Ay, be?
Yeah.
Ato, oh.
Let's go, guys. Just follow me, guys. Oh, there's a summoning circle. I'm stuck.
It's Angel.
I don't know. We just have to keep going forward.
Yes, ano yan?
Angel, you're alive?
Nag-teleport man kanya.
May nag-teleport ka akon. Are you good, Jill? You still with us?
Players loading to, no?
Okay. Waiting for players 2. Bakit 2? Lige?
Oh! Failed connected ako!
No! Well, we can do this.
Wala lang.
Angel, let's go. Dito ako, Jill, sa likod.
Kaya pwede pa-share screen. Gusto ko kayong matanaw.
How do we do that?
Ay, hindi.
I don't
Wala na,
know.
guys.
Angel, sa likod mo. With
Ayan,
what
yan.
I've just
Tayo
been
na
through,
yan.
I'd have to go to the infirmary. Matapos ka na, next game mo man, ah. Just follow me,
Okay.
Jill, and do not die because I'm also deeply scared. 1 out of... Wa man yan ako? 1 out of 15 na roses. Oh my god, gahanap kita to roses, Jill.
Paano ba ata?
Oh my god!
Share screen, John.
Sen, palin.
Agtay ka sa ako, ano? Ay,